Egor local government chairman Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia don present 6,054,260,230 naira 40 kobo only to the legislative arm of Egor local government as 2024 budget for Egor local government area. The presentation shele for the local secretariat headquarters for Uselu, Egor local government area of Edo State. Honorable Eghe tok say she named the budget New Phase of Egor sake of say Egor need to move to the next level and say the budget dey high from the previous budget sake of the removal of fuel subsidy and say they get many work to do around the 10 wards of Egor. She also tok say from the budget, dem need to complete projects like Egor Cottage Hospital, renovate schools, health centers, roads and still pay salary of local government workers and do other ogbonge projects. She still appealed to the legislative arm of the local government to look quick into the budget and pass am so that dem go fit make Egor local government the best for Edo State and Niger.
This budget is the budget of the new face of the people. The purpose is to ensure development of our communities through execution of projects and programs to lift our people out of poverty and create a new face for the people of Egor local government area. Income. The expended income in a total of 6,054,260,230 naira 40 kobo. This is made up of the following: statutory allocation for the federal account of 2,740,000 naira, made up of 45.26%. Value added tax (VAT) of 1,956,650,000, which made up of 32.32%. Excess crude oil and others 630 million, which made up of 10%, 10.41%. Internally generated revenue, which is the IGRO we are expecting, is 727,610,230 naira 40 kobo, which made up of 12.02%. Is the total of 6,054,260,230.40, which is the budget size is 6,054,260,230 naira 40 kobo. This is up from the provision of 4,861,541,268.20 kobo. For the 2023, the total budget performance for 2023 stands at 4,868,450,450 naira 50 kobo as at November 2023. This presents the actual performance of 83.28% as at November 2023. The purpose for the enhanced budget size is the expectation that due to the removal of oil subsidy, the expected increase of the value added tax (VAT) in the next fiscal year comply with an enhanced internally revenue generated drive, there will be more income in the next fiscal year. Out of this budget of 6 billion, 54,260,230 naira 40 kobo, 2,795,000,000 is embanked for mandatory deductions to cover local government pension funds, salaries for primary schools teachers, which is 60% contribution of the salary for primary healthcare workers, provision for pension arrears and other statutory deductions. This leaves us with distributable funds of the sum of 3,259,260,230 naira 40 kobo. Out of this distributable fund, the sum of 1,228,230 naira 40 kobo, representing 37.68, is embanked for recurrent expenditure, while the sum of 2,031,250,000, representing 62.32%, is embanked for capital expenditure. The recurrent expenditure is 1,228,010,230 naira and represents 37.68%. This covers the following: staff salary 207,402,536 naira, represent 16.89%. Personal cost 429,583,410 naira, represent 34.98%. Salaries for political functionaries 98,714,284, represents 8.04%. Overhead cost 492,310,000, represent 40.09%. The total is 1,228,010,230 naira 100%. Capital expenditure. The capital expenditure has a provision of 2,031,250,000, representing 62.32%. This area covers various sectors, which include administrative sector, economic sector, law and justice sector, social sector. Administrative sector. The administrative sector has a provision of 246,700,000, representing 12.15% of the capital expenditure. Under this sector, provisions are made for purchase of official vehicles, purchase of furniture, purchase of computers, purchase of electronics, electrical equipment, and air conditioners, purchase of security equipment. Economic sector. Under this sector, the sum of 911,555,000, representing 44.88%, has been earmarked. This covers agricultural projects and programs and poultry development. This sector also covers construction, renovation of office buildings, construction of fencing of selected markets, provision of boreholes, rehabilitation of earth roads, provision of automated machines for revenue collection, etc. Law and justice sector. This has a provision of 14 million, representing 0.7% of the capital provision. This covers provision of library, purchase of computers, etc. Social sector. This has a provision of 859 million. This covers grants and aid to selected communities, provision of sporting facilities, provision of recreational centers, renovation of skill acquisition center, completion of Egor Cottage Hospital, renovation of primary health care center, provision for immunization programs, etc. Ladies and gentlemen, I am glad with the caliber of persons I am working with in the legislative arm. They have demonstrated unloyal support and cooperation with me in our effort to put our local government area in the map of progressive local government council, not only in Edo State but in Nigeria. I am also glad with the support of our career staff in executing projects and programs for the people of Egor local government. I am also elected with the support and guidance of the political leaders to enable us carry out our programs and policies. I sue for continual cooperation of all our sundry, because we need peace for the progress and development of our dear local government area. I also want to urge the legislative arm to give this 2024 budget estimate the speedy passage it deserves to enable us effect our plans for the 2024 fiscal year.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.